could have freed 1,000 more if they only knew they were slaves. As I've come up through the pages of history into today's time, I can see the condition of my people done got worse. As I've come up through the pages of history
Yeah, I done heard what they said about me.
into today's time,
Talk about she ain't real, huh? I guess freedom fake too then. Come
I
on,
can see
children,
the
walk with
condition
me.
of my people
We
done
moving.
got worse.
Who said I ain't real? Still in the field, still keep it still. Free my people, now they tryna steal my name, my pain, my will, my seal. Who said I ain't real? Still got scars they can't conceal. Still got souls I help to heal. While they build lies, I built that trail. Let's go.
I'ma move silent through the night. Ain't no fiction in my fight. Ain't no subway, it's that dirt road. Prayers in the moonlight. They call me Moses, not for myth but for motion. Brought slave through the water. My faith was the ocean. I seen devils wailing and sweet lies on their tongue, saying she a story, I'm a reason bells rung. Freedom songs hung, cause the path I paved. You talking trains, not, it's that grave I brave. You two preachers spit tales for views and trying to rewrite what my God let me do. Said I was railroads rears, boy please. The only line I ran, West Streets of peace.
Who said I ain't real? Still in the field, still keep it still. Free my people, now they tryna steal my name, my pain, my will, my seal. Who said I ain't real? Still got scars they can't conceal. Still got souls I help to heal. While they build lies, I built that trail.
Here frost and the chains in the podcast, playing clean with the past of this broadcast. Got the nerve to say I ain't walked that mile, but I lend me the rifles and the righteous smile. Trying to slave your not your hand, twisting up truth cause he don't understand. I said freedom in the dark, I ain't need no clout. When fear hit the flesh, my fate punched out. You can't erase what the blood done wrote. I spoke with the wind, made the trees take note. Every step I took was a prayer and cold. When I said, come on children, I carry that load. The one to change your thoughts, not your feet. Make you doubt your past, not the beat. But I'm the reason they whisper at night, cause I showed the world what fake look like.
Say my name when you talk about truth. Who said I ain't real? Still in the field, still keep it still. Free my people, now they tryna steal my name, my pain, my will, my seal. Who said I ain't real? Still got scars they can't conceal. Still got scars I help to heal. My build odds I can't conceal.
Yeah.
Our youngins today, even our old ones, it appears though they're in some type of mind warp, dwelling in a place called La La Land.
I'm just here to make you think. I'm just here to make you think. I'm just here to make you think. I'm just here to make you think.
Hey yo, you doubt Harry, yeah, you really that lost. Whole world documented the moves, you playing coin toss. You ain't reading, just vibes in a mouth. I got books, archives, scholars, you got doubt, huh? Sarah Bradford wrote a life while she was alive. Scenes in the life of Harriet Tubman, go check the archives. Primary source, baby, not a TikTok claim. Abolition legends co-signed every step of her name. Frederick Douglass wrote letters saying she the one. That's a giant history verifying what she done. Union Army payroll list, yeah, she right there. Nurse, scout, spy, CGH receipts everywhere. U.S. military reports got the facts on lock. Combahee River raid, she led the whole flock. 700 freed in one night, that's history. Not some YouTube dude with a ring light mystery. Maryland court records, census land deeds. Her marriage license, family names, all guaranteed. A whole Harriet Tubman museum with artifacts on deck. But you got she ain't real off a live stream, what the heck? Biographers from Lawson and Clinton did the study. 150 years of scholars all say she ain't muddy. You fight facts with feelings that's childish prey. The ignorance loud, but the proof louder every day. You You disrespect the ancestors for what a trend. You punching up at giants who don't even bend. Your whole argument's hollow like a drum with no skin. Harriet walked through death, you ain't even walked in. Think, I'm just here to make you think. 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 Hey yo, look, you say she ain't real, that's a wild type reach. Whole old histories from black elders still teach. Dorchester County records, they tracked every sale. A family on the books, your theory, epics failed. Ain't no myth born with government pensions. Harriet got us for military service that I mentioned. Congressional documents stamped in ink. But you talking like facts ain't real, boy, think. Cole Montgomery wrote reports saying she brave, she sharp. But you claiming all historians been lying from the start. The NAP honor her since way back when Harriet walked through death, you ain't even walked in. I'm just here to make you